Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech man, MKBHD here. Let's talk about staying ahead of the tech game. Why settle for old software when you can have the newest, freshest updates? That's right, we're diving deep into iOS and iPadOS 18.1 Beta 4. Apple drops these updates to give us a sneak peek at what's coming. Think of it like early access to the coolest features. Plus, you get bragging rights for rocking the latest software before everyone else. But this isn't just about looking cool. It's about experiencing the best of what Apple has to offer. So buckle up because we're about to break down all the juicy details of this beta release. Now, before you hit that download button, let's talk about the beta life. Beta software is like a rough draft. It's still a work in progress. This means you might run into a few bumps along the way. Think of it like testing out a brand new car. It's got all the latest tech, but there might be a few kinks to work out. You might experience some apps crashing, battery life taking a hit, or features not working quite right. But hey, that's the price of being an early adopter. You're helping Apple squash those bugs and make the final release even better. Just remember, don't install this on your main device. Keep it on a separate phone or tablet, just to be safe. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what's fixed in this beta update. First up, App Intents. This feature is all about making your interactions with your iPhone more seamless and intuitive. Remember when your Siri shortcuts weren't playing nice with certain apps? It was frustrating, right? Well, those days are numbered. The new update ensures that Siri shortcuts work flawlessly with a wider range of apps. This update smooths out the integration between Siri and your favorite apps, making your life a whole lot easier. Imagine no more hiccups or glitches when you need Siri to perform a task. Imagine setting up a shortcut that automatically orders your usual coffee order with just a voice command. You can now rely on Siri to get it right every single time. That's the power of App Intents. It's all about making your daily routines more efficient and enjoyable. Next up, Health Kit. Apple's all about health and wellness, and this update brings some important fixes to Health Kit. Whether you're tracking your steps, monitoring your heart rate, or keeping an eye on your sleep patterns, accuracy is key. This means your health data will be even more accurate and reliable. You can trust the information you see on your iPhone to reflect your true health status. And finally, Store Kit. For all you shopaholics out there, this update brings some under-the-hood improvements to make your in-app purchases smoother than ever. No more lag or errors when you're trying to buy something. No more getting stuck at the checkout. Your transactions will be quick and hassle-free, ensuring a pleasant shopping experience every time. So there you have it, App Intents, Health Kit, and Store Kit, all getting some much-needed love in this update. One of the coolest things about Apple is how they're constantly pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Every year, they introduce new features that make our devices smarter and more intuitive. And this beta update is no exception. With each update, Apple continues to refine and enhance the user experience, making sure that our devices are not just tools, but intelligent companions. iOS 18.1 Beta 4 comes packed with some serious AI upgrades, making your iPhone or iPad even smarter than before. These upgrades are designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life, offering convenience and efficiency like never before. Think of it like giving your device a brain boost. It's not just about faster processing, but about making your device more intuitive and responsive to your needs. Siri's getting even better at understanding your requests, even if you phrase them in a weird way. Whether you're asking for the weather, setting reminders, or searching for information, Siri is now more accurate and efficient. And the predictive text, let's just say it's like it can read your mind now. Typing has never been easier, with your device suggesting words and phrases that fit perfectly into your context. But the real magic happens behind the scenes. The AI is constantly working in the background, learning and adapting to your usage patterns. Your device is constantly learning from your habits and preferences, making personalized recommendations and suggestions throughout the day. From suggesting apps you might need to reminding you of tasks, it's all about making your life easier. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. With these intelligence upgrades, your iPhone or iPad becomes an indispensable part of your daily routine, always ready to assist and enhance your experience. Section 5. Widgets get wiser, Widget Kit enhancements. Widgets are like those handy little apps on your home screen that give you information at a glance. They are designed to make your life easier by providing quick access to essential information without the need to open the full app. And guess what? They just got a whole lot better in iOS 18.1 Beta 4. This latest update brings a host of new features and improvements that make widgets more functional and interactive than ever before. Apple's given WidgetKit, the framework that powers widgets, a serious upgrade. This means developers now have more tools and capabilities at their disposal to create innovative widgets that can do much more than just display static information. Now you can create even more powerful and interactive widgets that do more than just display information. These new widgets can respond to user interactions, making them more dynamic and engaging. Imagine a weather widget that lets you scroll through the hourly forecast without even opening the app. You can see the weather for the entire day right from your home screen, making it easier to plan your day. Or a music widget that lets you control playback directly from your home screen. You can play, pause, skip tracks, and even adjust the volume without having to open the music app. This is a game changer for developers who want to create a more engaging and seamless experience for their users. With these new capabilities, developers can build widgets that are not only more useful, but also more enjoyable to use. And for us users, well, we get to enjoy all the cool new widgets that developers dream up. From interactive weather forecasts to music controls and beyond, the possibilities are endless. These enhancements make our devices more personalized and efficient, enhancing our overall user experience. Section 6 Design Delights New Visual APIs. For all you visual creatures out there, iOS 18.1 Beta 4 comes with some eye candy. Apple's introduced some new visual APIs that let developers create even more stunning and immersive experiences. Think smoother animations, more realistic graphics, and a level of visual polish that will make your jaw drop. It's like upgrading from standard definition to 4K resolution. This isn't just about making things look pretty, though. These visual enhancements can actually make your apps more intuitive and enjoyable to use. Because let's face it, who doesn't love a visually appealing app? Section 7. Performance Powerhouse Under the Hood Improvements. Now let's talk about what's happening under the hood. iOS 18.1 Beta 4 isn't just about flashy new features and pretty visuals, it's also about making your iPhone or iPad run smoother and faster than ever before. Apple's made a bunch of under-the-hood optimizations that improve overall performance. This means apps launch faster, games run smoother, and your device just feels snappier to use. It's like giving your device a shot of espresso. You might not notice all the changes right away, but trust me, they're there, and they make a world of difference in the long run. Section 8. Battery Boost. Optimizations for longer life. Let's be real, battery life is like the holy grail of smartphones. We all want our devices to last longer on a single charge. Well, Apple's heard our prayers because iOS 18.1 Beta 4 brings some serious battery optimizations to the table. These optimizations are all about squeezing every last drop of juice out of your battery. This means your device will last longer on a single charge, even if you're using power-hungry apps and features. So go ahead, stream that movie, play that game, and browse those social media feeds without worrying about your battery dying on you. Apple's got your back. Section 9. Security Strengthened Safeguarding Your Data. In this digital age, security is more important than ever, and Apple takes it seriously. iOS 18.1 Beta 4 comes with a bunch of security enhancements designed to keep your data safe and sound. Think of it like adding an extra layer of protection around your digital life. These updates patch up any vulnerabilities, making it even tougher for hackers to get their hands on your precious information. So you can rest assured that your personal information, photos, and everything else on your device is locked down tight. Apple's got your back. Section 10. Developers delight making the most of iOS 18.1 Beta 4. Attention all developers. iOS 18.1 Beta 4 isn't just for users, it's also packed with goodies for you. Apple's given you a bunch of new tools and APIs to play with, allowing you to create even more innovative and amazing apps. Think of it like getting a brand new toolbox full of shiny new tools. You can use these tools to build apps that are faster, more powerful, and more engaging than ever before. So go forth and create the next big thing. The future of iOS is in your hands, and with these new tools, the possibilities are endless. Section 11, the future is now, embracing the latest and greatest. So there you have it, folks, iOS 18.1 Beta 4 in all its glory. From bug fixes and performance improvements to new features and developer tools, this update is jam-packed with goodies. Remember, this is just a taste of what's to come in the final release, so stay tuned for even more exciting updates and features as we get closer to the official launch. And if you're feeling adventurous, go ahead and download the beta. Just remember to proceed with caution and don't install it on your main device. Happy updating!